Welcome back to John Kleis Cardio. My name is Max and today I'm sat in a Porsche Macan. This has got the PCM 3.1 system, which is the radio with navigation, and I'm going to give you a very brief walkthrough Apple CarPlay that we've added through the kit. So if I'm going to spin the camera around, I'm just going to show you what the car looks like. So the factory radio looks a bit like this. Our CarPlay system is accessed through the TV tuner source, so it's very easy to select. You keep everything working as normal on the PCM system. To select our Apple CarPlay, we press source, we go to TV, and then this will kick us into Apple CarPlay mode. Apple CarPlay mode works through the original control down here for selecting into apps. You can use the back button to come back out of things. You can also use the touchscreen. Touchscreen, you just have to be a bit slow, push. It's just the way that these older resistive screens work. But this Apple CarPlay looks pretty great on there. And all the audio runs through basically TV tuner source. So in our opinion, it's one of the best ways to get sound, the best sound quality through these kits. Apple CarPlay will give you all the usual things that you might expect, like phone, check your messages, just have them read out to you basically, and you got navigation apps like Google Maps, Apple Maps, Waze, TomTom Go if you want a built-in navigation. Music's often a big thing why people do an Apple CarPlay upgrade, so I can get all my different playlists and tracks and listen to my music. To answer and hang up phone calls and control the system, otherwise it's all just done from the screen. When the phone calls come in, we take out this head unit, install a kit which is installed using ribbon cables, and it's all done in a day here at John Kleis. And if you've got a factory reverse camera, that would stay working. When this customer puts it into reverse, it will switch to the factory PCM system like so. And when you go back out reverse, it'll go back to the Apple CarPlay system. Volume will still work on here for adjusting the volume up and down, and it just shows CarPlay on the screen there on the audio source. That's it. That's Apple CarPlay wrapped up in about a minute. I'll see you on the next video. Any questions, hit us in the comments or drop us an email. Thanks very much. Take care and goodbye.